wore a wetsuit. Now I was wearing ski pants and a warm winter jacket, a fleece toque under my helmet, and leather-palmed gloves. I had plastic boots, stiff around the ankles with sharp metal teeth called crampons sticking out the front.
Crayon angel songs are slightly out of tune, but I'm sure I'm not to blame. Nothing's happened, but I think it will soon. So I sit here waiting for God in a train to the astral plane. Magic rings are made of turn my finger green, and my mystic roses die. I guess reality is not as it seems. So I sit here waiting for truth and a ride to the other side.
Wish I thought I'd write, say I'm healing from the light. You got all that scratch, and I'm left to certain time. Even though you're off that store, even though you needed more, you knew I'd help a slip out the hatch. They fled the sea, the crime all paid me back. You better watch your back. Even though it's more, take you go, I'll say goodbye to your alibi.
There were 19 and 9 that safely lay in the shelter of the fold, but one was out on the fields away, far off from the gates of gold, away on the mountains wild and bare, away from the tender shepherd's care. Lord, thou hast here 19 and 9, are they not enough for thee? But the shepherd made answer, this of mine has one repose.
All spring now we've been her on a barge lent by a friend. 3 dives a day in a hard hat suit and trite I've had the bends. Thank God it's only 60 feet and currents here are slow, or I'd never have the strength to go below. Rise again, keep rolling, because we all do our best and we're till the end. Make Lord Mary and rise again.
shot, body rock, rocket don't stop. Round and round, up and down, around the clock. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, and Sunday. We gon' get, you know what